Hello students, hope everybody is doing fine. I am Mrs. Reena Kanungo of Dibrans Mundle English Medium School and I am going to teach you geography subject this year, new session 2020-21. Children, your geography book is having two parts. It is divided in two parts, that is physical geography and economics. And altogether 40 marks is allotted for geography. This book is very interesting. It contains various geographical aspects which happens above the surface of earth. You will find very interesting related to the topics which is given for economics section. This year economics is very new to you, but you will find very interesting. I hope we will learn so many new things, new concepts this year in your geography subject. Let's see what are the marks related to your geography and which contents are there and what is the competency statements given for each and every topic. Let's see. See children, this is your geography book. This is the front page of your geography book. As you can see, various pictures are given on the cover page of your book. These pictures are related to the various exogenetic movement which happen above the surface of earth. So this is the formation due to various geographical factors, due to various climatic conditions. So this year we are going to read about physical geography. So this is the cover page and so many interesting topics are given also in your textbook. Let's see next. So as you will see, turn your pages of your geography book, you can see this is the second page of your book. Now these are the topics which are given and you can see various competency statements are given. Children, these competency statements are related to the objective for the various topics which is given, that why there is a need to learn these topics. So first chapter is practical geography, that we are supposed to do about practical related to graphs, related to maps. From 2nd to 7th lesson, that is physical geography. And after 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, these chapters are related to economics. So you can see various competency statements are given. That means what are the objective, why we need to read this chapter, what are the motive behind reading these chapters. So you can read it very carefully, you can learn something about this, and as we will move towards your content, we can see that these are the content which is given in a geography book. First lesson is distributional map, that is your practical geography. Second, endogenetic movement. Third, exogenetic movement, part 1, part 2 which is given. 5th and 6th, 7th lessons are related to physical geography, that is precipitation, properties of seawater, international date line. And these chapters are related to economics, that is trade, urbanization, transport, communication, tourism. These chapters are related to economics. So you will find economics very interesting. So children, come to this format of question paper. This is the new pattern of question paper, that is 40 marks of 40 marks. So you can see question number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is having two parts, that is A and B. That question number 4 is related to map. So you can see various other questions are also given. Question number 5, reason. Question number 6 and 6 is having again two parts, that is graphical representation, depends upon according to statistical information. And question number 7 is answer in detail. So this is altogether it carries 40 marks. So various marks are also allotted for each question. You can see it very clearly. So this is your format of question paper. Now children, I already told you about your internal evaluation. Internal evaluation or assessment we are having this year or also in next year also. In 9th and 10th we are having internal assessment which carries 10 marks. So here you can see assignment. Assignment means children, we have to complete your copies. Completion of copies is compulsory, which carries 5 marks. And another 5 marks which is related to MCQs. So you will have internal assessment in the form of assignment and MCQs. And in between we are having 2 unit tests that carries 20 marks each. So you will have also unit test and internal evaluation and first term and second term. So this is all about your geography subject. So it carries 40 marks plus 10 marks and 20 marks for unit test. So children, I hope you understand well and you will find geography subject very interesting. Thank you.